Good night. Tonight, we are going to answer the past bar exam in 2024 labor law and social legislation. So here, number one question, Zigo. Z is a non-resident Chinese national who plans to live and establish a career in the Philippines. She went to the Philippines and applied with the Tarlac Agricultural Products TAP as an ordinary farm worker. The TAP hired she because of her diverse set of farming skills. The TAP assigned she in its Bamban farm. Did TAP lawfully hire Zigo as a farm worker? Explain. Answer yes. TAP lawfully hired Zigo as a farm worker. Article 40, Title 2, Book 1 of the Labor Code states, employment permit of non-resident aliens, any alien seeking admission of the Philippines for employment purposes, and any domestic or foreign employer who desires to engage an alien for employment in the Philippines shall obtain an employment permit from the Department of Labor. The employment permit may be issued to a non-resident alien or to the applicant employer after a determination of the non-availability of a person in the Philippines who is competent, able, and willing at the time of application to perform the services for which the alien is desired. For an enterprise registered in preferred areas of investment, said employment permit may be issued upon recommendation of the government agency charged with the supervision of said registered enterprise. Article 41, Title 2, Book 1 of the Labor Code states, prohibition against transfer of employment. After the issuance of an employment permit, the alien shall not transfer to another job or change his employer without prior approval of the Secretary of Labor, be any non-resident alien who shall take up employment or in violation of the provision of this title in its implementing rules and regulations shall be punished in accordance with the provisions of Article 289, now Article 304, and 219, now Article 305 of the Labor Code. In addition, the alien worker shall be subject to deportation after service of his sentence. Article 42, Title 2, Book 1 of the Labor Code states, submission of lease. Any employer employing non-resident foreign national on the effective date of this code shall submit a list of such nationals to the Secretary of Labor within 30 days after such date, indicating their names, citizenship, foreign and local addresses, nature of employment, and status of stay in the country. The Secretary of Labor shall then determine if they are entitled to an employment permit. So that's it. That's my answer for number one question in labor law in the past bar exam 2024. Thank you, and I pray that we will have same answer. Thank you, good day, good night, and God bless.